welcomes you at Dhare Science Academy, Vidyanagar, Karad. Interactive audio-visual lecture series of physics, chemistry, maths and biology subject for 11th and 12th science students. If you like our lecture series, then please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Welcome at Dhare Science Academy, Karad. In previous lecture, we study about the unit cell. Unit cell has 6 parameters, 3 edge lengths A, B, C, and the angles between them are alpha, beta and gamma. Today we are studying about the crystal structure. Lattice spacing of lattice points along 3 axes A, B, C and 3 bond angles alpha, beta, gamma gives rise different 7 types of crystal system. That 7 types are cubic, orthorhombic, tetragonal, monoclinic, hexagonal, rhombohedral and triclinic. And these 7 crystal systems are associated with the 14 types of lattices, and that 14 lattices are analyzed by French mathematician Bravais, and therefore these 14 lattices are known as Bravais lattices. Now we are studying in brief about that 14 lattices and 7 crystal systems. The first crystal system is here cubic system, and cubic system gives rise 3 types of the lattices. The first type is the simple or primitive lattice, here as shown in the diagram. Second type is the body centered cubic unit lattice, and third type is the face centered cubic unit lattice, and all these 3 types are here given into the diagram. Second crystal system is the orthorhombic system, and it gives rise 4 type of lattices. First one is the simple or primitive as shown in first diagram. Second is the body centered shown in second diagram. Third one is the face centered shown into the third diagram, and fourth one is the base centered. It is also known as the end center shown in the fourth diagram. Now next, third type of the crystal system is the tetragonal system, and it gives rise 2 types of the Bravais lattices. First one is the simple or primitive as shown in first diagram, and second is the body centered as shown into the second diagram. Fourth type of crystal system is monoclinic, and it gives rise 2 types of the lattices. First one is the simple or primitive. Second one is the base centered unit cell. Next, fifth type of the crystal lattice is rhombohedral, and it gives rise only one type of lattice, that is simple or primitive as shown in diagram. Sixth type of crystal lattice is triclinic, and it also gives rise only one type of the lattice, it is simple or primitive. Next and seventh one system is the hexagonal crystal system, and it also gives rise only one type of the lattice, that is simple or primitive as shown into the diagram. As we seen, there are 7 type of crystal system and 14 types of Bravais lattices. In this chapter, now we are going to study only about the cubic crystal system. Cubic crystal system gives rise different 3 types of unit cells, that are simple or primitive unit cell. Second type is the body centered unit cell. Third type is the face centered unit cell. In first type, that means simple or primitive unit cell, there are 8 particles situated at the 8 corners of unit cell. Then second type is the body centered unit cell. In body centered unit cell, there are 8 particles at the 8 corner of unit cell and 1 additional particle at the center of unit cell. Third type of unit cell is the face-centered unit cell. In face-centered unit cell, there are also 8 particles at the 8 corners of unit cell, but 6 particles are at the center of 6 faces of unit cell as shown in third diagram. So these are the 3 types of cubic unit cells, in which first type, simple cubic unit cell, is denoted by SC. Second type, body centered cubic unit cell, denoted by BCC, and face centered cubic unit cell is denoted by FCC. Now we are going to study the calculation of number of particles in unit cell. We know that crystal lattice is made up of large number of unit cell, and that lattice point in unit cell are occupied by the constituent particles. First, we are going to study about contribution of constituent particles at the lattice point by neighboring unit cells. Corner particle is equally shared into neighboring 8 unit cells, in which 4 unit cells in the lower layer and 4 unit cells in the upper layer. That means we can say that the one particle contributes only its 1/8 part per unit cell. Face-centered particle is equally shared by 2 unit cells. That means we can say that the one particle contributes its 1/2 part into 1 unit cell. Body centered particle does not shared by any other unit cell. That means that body centered particle is fully contributed into the 1 unit cell. Now we calculate the number of constituent particles per unit cell. First we calculate the number of particles in first type, that is primitive or simple cubic unit cell. As we know that in simple cubic unit cell there are 8 constituent particles at the 8 corner of unit cell. And as we know, the corner particle contributes only its 1/8 part in 1 unit cell. Therefore, there are 8 particles at the 8 corner and each particle contribute only its 1/8 part per unit cell. Therefore, total number of particles in the simple cubic unit cell are 8 particles at the 8 corner multiplied by 1/8 is equal to 1. Therefore, total number of particles in simple cubic unit cell is 1. Now we calculate the number of particles in body centered cubic unit cell. As we know, in body centered cubic unit cell, there are 8 particles at the 8 corner of unit cells and 1 particle is at the center of unit cell. As we studied, the corner particle contributes only its 1/8 part in 1 unit cell, while particle present at the center of unit cell does not contributed by any other unit cell. Therefore, we can say by 8 corner particles multiplied by 1/8 is equal to 1 particle plus 1 particle present at the center of unit cell. Therefore, 1 plus 1, that means there are total 2 particles in the body centered cubic unit cell. That can be further calculated as there are 8 corners, 8 particle multiplied by 1/8 is equal to 1. There is 1 particle at the center of unit cell multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, total number of particles are 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now we calculate the number of particles in face-centered cubic unit cell. We studied that in face-centered cubic unit cell, there are 8 particles at the 8 corners of unit cell and 6 particles are present at the center of 6 faces of the unit cell. We also know that particle at the corner contributes only its 1/8 part in one unit cell. Similarly, particle at the face center contributes 1/2 per unit cell. Therefore, we can say that the total particles at the corner are 8 multiplied by 1/8 is equal to 1 particle, and there are 6 particles at the 6 faces multiplied by 1/2 is equal to 3 particles. Therefore, total number of particles are 1 particle plus 3 particles is equal to 4. It can be further calculated as shown here. First, there are 8 corner particles multiplied by 1/8 is equal to 1. 6 particles at the center of the face multiplied by 1/2 is equal to 3 particles. Therefore, total number of particles in the face-centered cubic unit cell are 1 plus 3 is equal to 4.